How to add a new crypto asset in Zengo. Are you guys facing issues to add a new crypto asset? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Zengo wallet on your mobile device and unlock it using your fingerprint or PIN. Once you get logged in, you scroll through your wallet overview and just simply tap on receive or buy button. Once you click on buy button, you can see multiple crypto assets over here. To add cryptocurrencies, just simply tap on it. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, ERC20, Polygon, and many others. Find the token you want to add and toggle it on. That adds it to your display screen. If your token isn't listed yet, don't worry, you still own it on Zen. But Zengo currently mined so visually on it. Once enabled, the token appears in your main wallet screen and any balance will show automatically when the blockchain syncs. If a token is unsupported, it may not display, and you cannot manually add custom tokens in Zengo. For important assets not listed, contact Zengo supports inside the app. They consider adding new tokens frequently. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to add new crypto wallets. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.